As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, have you seen these Weber grills? I'm trying to decide between the Q1000 and the Spirit E-310.
Oh yeah, I've glanced at them. What are you looking for in a grill?
Well, portability is a big factor. The Q1000 is only 27.5 pounds, which is great for tailgating. But the Spirit E-310 at 98.1 pounds seems more like a stay-at-home kind of grill.
True. The Q1000 is definitely the portable option. But think about cooking space. The Q1000 only has 189 square inches. The Spirit E-310 boasts a much larger 360 square inches of cooking area.
That's a good point. I do like to grill for a crowd sometimes. The Q1000 only has one burner with 8,500 BTUs, whereas the E-310 has three burners totaling 19,000 BTUs. That's a big difference in heat output.
Exactly. And the E-310 has Weber Works side rails, so you can add accessories. The Q1000 is pretty basic, though you can swap the grates for a griddle, which is kind of cool.
Decisions. The Q1000 uses those small, disposable propane cylinders, right? Whereas the Spirit E-310 uses a standard propane tank.
Yep, the E-310 even has a cabinet to hide the propane tank. That's a nice touch, aesthetically. Speaking of aesthetics, the Q1000 has that classic Weber Q look in titanium, while the E-310 is black.
I saw that. What about ignition? Are they both easy to start?
Both have push-button ignition, so lighting them should be easy. The E-310 has the Snapjet ignition.
Okay. And the price difference is pretty significant. The Q1000 is around $229, while the Spirit E-310 is closer to $450.
Yeah, you're paying for the extra burners, cooking space, and features with the Spirit. The E-310 also has a 10-year warranty, while the Q1000 has a 5-year limited warranty.
Okay, that all makes sense. I guess it boils down to whether I prioritize portability and budget or cooking space and features. Thanks for helping me think through this. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.